In this video, I'll present to you the unboxing of the Canon Ivy 2nd generation, which is a mini wireless printer. This way you know better what's included in the box and what's not included. So let's get started. So as soon as we open the box, we have here a QR code which invites us to download the Canon Mini Print, this app. This is the app that you absolutely need to download if you want to use this Canon printer with your phone. So it's very nice that they have put a QR code. You don't have to search for the app. Over here we have the actual Canon printer, the Ivy 2nd generation. This is the white version. It's very simple. You just have a USB Type-C here to charge the device with a power on button. This is the top lid. You just have to push it in the direction of the arrow to remove the top lid so you can insert the ZINK smart sheets and paper. On the front here we have the slot where the pictures are going out, and otherwise there's nothing else. In the box, what else did we got here? We get these two cards. Don't know really what's the reason they included these, but they're here. A small warning document. A very small USB-C to USB Type-A cable. They probably included one of this size because the printer itself is very small, so they don't want you to carry a very large and annoying cable with you. So this is quite cool as well. And finally, in the box, they give you 10 sheets, 2x3 ZINK paper to use with your Canon. So it's nice that they include this. This way you can start printing right away. You don't have to go at the store and buy more paper. They included 10 sheets to start with, but obviously I suggest that you get more because these won't last for long. Oh, and by the way, I just noticed on these cards, they said peel and stick your print here. So I guess these will become frames for the pictures that you're gonna print. So you won't see this, you're just gonna see the borders over here and your print will be in the middle. If you found this video useful, please check the Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get one from Amazon. Also leave a comment, a like, and I will see you in the next one.